So what is the difference between traditional implants versus mini implants? Well, both replace a missing tooth or multiple teeth. They're both made out of titanium, which is FDA approved and used by surgeons for hip and knee replacement. Both are used to support jawbone health. The difference is in 5 categories. Traditional implants may have more discomfort because there's some gum surgery involved. They're more invasive because it's just a larger size implant. They're very expensive, about double of that of a mini implant. And it has a higher increased time of healing just because of the added surgery and the larger size implant. And there's more visits with the dentist. Mini implants, there's less discomfort because there's no gum surgery. It's less invasive because it's smaller diameter. It's less expensive. It has a decreased healing time and less visits with your dentist. So I highly encourage you to set up a consultation with us. We would love to explain this further. We'd love to meet you.